Arrive in style with this 2002 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include wood grain interior trim, rear-wheel drive, stability control, leather steering wheel, keyless entry, bucket seats, climate control, and universal garage door opener. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.